So this is cabin C8, which is a handicap room, which I was given for some reason and I can't change. But it's a nice room. So there's a double bed, and on the side there's a lamp with outlets and a drawer. There's a coffee table here on the side and coffee machine, ice bucket, and we have a coat hook here, really cute details, and then a recycle, paper and landfill. There's a chair, and on this side there's another cool chair with some grizzly bears. There's some artwork, another coat hook, a fleece blanket. There's the sink, the vanity with some products, and then the bathroom. Now, again, this is a handicap room, which I tried to change, but they wouldn't let me. So there's the restroom, the commode, some towels, coat hooks, and then there's the shower, and that's the chair for the disabled people. So as I say, I did ask if I could change to a regular room because I don't need to have all the handicap stuff. And I thought someone else might need it. But unfortunately, they said they were fully booked at the end of the month and there was nothing they could do. So here I am. But it looks good. And yeah, there's nice beams in the ceiling. So I will let you know how my stay was. So the canteen here is got all your typical food offerings. But look at the view.
The menu was quite vast, but it was typical burger sort of style things, but with lots of flavours, and there was lots of seating. You could also get food to go. And in the lobby there was a gorgeous fireplace, a gift shop and a games room, as well as laundry. The views of Yellowstone Lake were exceptional.
So this was our stay at Lake Lodge Cabins, and I have to say it was definitely one of my favourites of our trip. The aesthetic in the room was really nice. It was like all bear themed, which is so apt because we've seen 11 bears on this trip. It was quiet, parking really close. We were in an accessible room, which actually was really handy with suitcases. And the facilities in the lodge were amazing, so I can't fault this one. This was a win for me.